Oh, and me get saltfish.
Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me?
Hi everybody, this is Stacy, personally speaking. I'm still in Japan and I very quickly wanted to talk about the blessings of God. Of course, I am blessed every day, like every day without fail. I am blessed. Know that straight off the bat. But this was kind of special for me. And why was it so special? Well, because it was unexpected, unplanned, and really, really heartfelt. What am I talking about? So a couple weeks ago, I went on vacation in Okinawa. Sorry, I haven't done a video on that yet. I have a whole list of outstanding videos to do that I want to do properly. But anyway, I was in Okinawa, which is a small island off the main island of Japan, but it's still a part of Japan. That has its own history, but I won't get into that. Yes, 2 weeks ago, I was in Okinawa. It's more subtropical, so kind of reminds me of Jamaica. And I was actually staying with a dear friend of mine, another Jamaican, who had just come back from Jamaica. Yes. Yes, she just came back from Jamaica and she came back with a whole heap of goodies. Jamaican stuff. And so I decided to pose. I was offered some of these things, you know, God bless her heart. And I decided to pose with one of the Jamaican delights that we call water crackers or tough crackers. And I posted the picture on Facebook, you know, and I just put a caption saying something like, if you know, you know, or something like that. I'll try and find the picture and include it somewhere here. And to my surprise, because I was surprised, to my surprise, a high school friend of mine commented and asked if I wanted her to send me a care package. I was like, of course I said yes. You know, but I was so like shocked. I'm like wondering, why did she offer? What brought that to her mind to offer to send me a care package? Nobody has ever really offered to send me a care package before. You know, not unless I had asked. Let me put it that way. So I was very surprised because she wasn't in Jamaica. As far as I know, she has only lived in the States. And in my little mind, only people who have been kind of, you know, separated or kind of removed from their cultural ties could really understand the need for a care package. But God understands the importance of a care package, and he used my darling friend from high school to bless me. Right? And as I speak today, September 5th, at approximately 2:55 here in Japan, my doorbell rang and I just collected the package. I have not opened it yet. So this video was really supposed to be about opening the package so we can see together what my friend sent. Like, I'm just so honored, and you guys wouldn't even believe this was sent by priority mail. I know that right now still nothing is coming from Jamaica. You cannot even send a letter from Jamaica by regular post. Everything has to be DHL or FedEx at this very moment, September 5th, 2022. But things are allowed from America. Now, whether they are allowing regular post, I don't know, because this was actually sent by priority mail. And it's a whole heap of money just for the postage alone. Listen to me now. I feel so honored. I feel so honored. to have gotten this. So without further ado, I am going to be opening the package from my friend, and really just pray a blessing for her and how she has blessed my life. In fact, in 2017, thereabout, I don't know what she saw again, but she had sent me, and I'm going to try to include that picture as well, because I took some pictures. She sent me a winter set, if I can call it that. It had a tam, it had a scarf or muffler, and it had some mittens. Because, and this she explained to me, she said, you know, she knows what it's like to not have the proper gear during the winter time. And that's why she had sent it to me. And, you know, God is just amazing. And He knows what we have need of. And He will use people to bless us that we never think of or even crosses our mind, you know. I don't even want to pull up there, so but I'll put it. Yeah, so let me try and ride and whistle at this time. So I'm still here in Japan, as we all know. It has been 6.5 years. March had made it 6 years, March, and now we're in September. So it's been quite a while, and I have not been able to get a care package from Jamaica since COVID. And of course, before COVID, I hadn't like gotten a package recently. But since COVID, nothing can be brought here. So I am just so honored and blessed. And interestingly, even before this package, on Friday, another friend who hadn't gone to Jamaica but had gone to the States told me that they brought back something for me. They said they brought back bun and cheese for me, you know, if I was interested. And I'm like, of course. Like, I'm just not going to say no to anything Jamaican, right? So I had met them on Friday. I met up with them on Friday, and today is Monday. So just Friday gone, right? And not only did I get bun and cheese, I got St. Mary's banana chips. I got chicken cock soup. I got tamarind ball. I got cinnamon sticks. I got nutmeg. And what else? I think that was it. But like, I didn't expect to get all those things. And if I can go back to being in Okinawa. Oh, and I get saltfish. Listen, the good up saltfish, a nice thick saltfish. And even before this, when I was in Okinawa, I came back to mainland, to my apartment with bami. Women not cook all now, can you believe it? I've just been so busy, guys. Trust me, when the bami that I eat, it'll go just nice up. I got bami and saltfish and ginger sweetie and mint sweetie. And of course, I didn't eat off all of it. I had a lot of my friend's crackers while I was in Okinawa, staying with her. But, you know, God knows. God knows what we need. He knows what we need. This summer, I had actually hoped to go to Jamaica. I was supposed to go to Jamaica. People, may I look on ticket from January. And I said, no, Stacy, too early for look on ticket for go Jamaica. February, March, may I look on ticket. People, my mind was set on going to Jamaica. April, May, June, July, I'm looking on tickets to go to Jamaica. But as it turned out, I did not get to go to Jamaica for the summer as I wanted to. I really needed a break from Japan. And that's how I ended up going to Okinawa, you know. even though it is still a part of Japan, it's a little bit more like Jamaica, and it is more diverse. And I was able to go to the beach and just enjoy a lot of kind of tropical vibe, island life. I got to eat green bananas and stuff, you know. So like, I feel like, you know, all of what's happening now is like God saying, okay, let me bring some more of Jamaica to you, you know. So back to the box. The phone had gotten really hot, and I had to turn on the air conditioner, turn the fan on the phone, and all those things. Just cut open the box. So let us unpack together. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, maybe I should bring it down. I don't know if I want to bring. No, it's okay. So we got some fish flavored soup mix, and let me tell you, these things are coming just before fall. Well, technically we're in autumn now, but the place is still kind of hot. But you know, when cold time come, me gonna run some soup. All right, this is fish flavored soup mix. Grace, you know, Grace are the thing, yeah. And of course, no complaints. St. Mary's banana chips, because the one I got on Friday, you know, the one I got on Friday, along with the bun and cheese, that was for dinner. Okay, I still have some bun and cheese left, but no banana chips no left. I love St. Mary banana chips. Oh my gosh, so I got banana chips. Listen, and nothing beats what we call Easter bun or spice bun. Nothing beats that than the actual round bun. Oh my god, so we get round bun, round spice bun. Can you see that? Only if you're Jamaican would you really understand. You understand? Yeah? Shirley, you don't know about Shirley? Oh my gosh, I was going to say there's a red one, and look here. The red one dead here. The red one dead here. Oh my gosh. Shirley biscuit. Oh no, just wait for it. Who remember them here? I can't remember the last I eat one of them here. Not even in Jamaica. Oh my gosh. I don't even know the green one. I don't know the green one at all. So you know, so I'm going to try this like very soon. I'll try it off camera. So I got catch. Who remember catch? Rocks cover. Who know what rocks cover mean? Never mind myself, okay? More spice bun. More spice bun. I mean, I have enough more cheese, you know. Yes. Come in, have more cheese and bun. You know what I got? Oh, another Shirley biscuit. Orange bag. Oh, that one has ginger, coconut, and original. I know the original one, and I kind of know the green one, but I don't know the orange one at all. Give thanks. Tamarind ball. I don't know who understands tamarind ball like me, because guess what? In the Philippines, which is another like a Southeast Asian country, they are like subtropical as well, so they know about tamarind ball and green banana and all of those things, but they actually cook with tamarind. I mean, I know that we sometimes make like a chutney or a stew, but they like put it in a soup. Man, that tamarind soup, not for me, not at this stage of my life. But tamarind ball, right on. Oh my gosh. Rough top, I haven't had this in ages. I was trying to see if it's the same smell. It should be. Bermudez. You know, even though Bermudez is not Jamaican, it full up in a Jamaica. You know why? Because I think it come from a Caribbean. Yes, Trinidad and Tobago. Because a lot of our snacks come from Trinidad and Tobago. Yes. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, my winter sat out. My winter nice. Milo. Jesus. If you never eat this before, if you never drink this, you know Jamaican. Yes, man. Oh my gosh. I can't even lie. The thing is, oh no, I've actually seen Milo in Japan. I have seen Milo in Japan, but I never bought it. I always buy like other chocolate. I remember this. Oh my goodness. Oh. And the thing that set off this whole care package thing. I started off, yeah, water crackers, yeah. I probably don't even need to find the picture on Facebook because this is basically what I did in the picture. I held up the water crackers. Oh my gosh, tough crackers. This porridge. Maybe I should have porridge for dinner. Plantain porridge. Oh my gosh. Green plantain porridge and tough crackers, or some cornmeal porridge and tough crackers. That's what I was having. I was having porridge in Okinawa. Oh my gosh. Yep. So that's it. The box, the well pack. Praise be to God. You know, so if you are watching and maybe you live in a foreign country and you know it's very foreign, like Japan is very foreign for Jamaica or for Jamaicans. It's not like in New York or other parts of America where you have Jamaican communities, Jamaican shop, Jamaican restaurants, and so on. We don't have that. We don't have that here in Japan. And since the restrictions on shipping, persons who would normally even sell Jamaican products are not selling as much because it's more expensive to route it through America for it to come here and then to sell us, you know. So if you are living outside, let me say that again, if you are living in your home country and you know of persons living in foreign countries, bless them with a care package, man. Send them a care package. Or if you are someone living in a foreign country who would love to get a care package, reach out to somebody. You know, you never know. You never know who just might be wanting to bless somebody, but maybe they don't even know that you're in need. You know, my little picture really expressed in some way that I did have a need. You know, and I'm really appreciative that it was communicated to someone, and someone who not only saw it but decided to act on it and to bless me. Be a blessing to somebody today that you know might be in need of something. It doesn't necessarily have to be something, you know, home related, but anything that you know can give them some kind of comfort and support at this time, because as I'm reminded by this saying, everybody you see is fighting some kind of battle. You know, we don't always show it. A lot of us use smiles to cover what might be going on, as well as to reflect the fact that we are trusting God to take care of us. You know, so allow God to use you to bless somebody today, man, and be a blessing, and also be willing to receive God's blessings as well. This is Stacy, personally speaking, still in Japan, still giving God thanks, pushing on. I still have a big surprise for all of you, but in due time. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye for now.
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.